How to add text in VN Video Editor. Now, in order to add text in VN Video Editor, you just simply need to create a project or open an existing one. I am opening this existing project of mine. Now, just simply import the clips which you would like to edit. Now, first of all, in order to add text, you will get to see this tap to add subtitle button directly. Tap into that and you will get this option to add text. Just simply tap to text and now you can choose what type of text and which type of style that you want in your text, and you can also select the moving animations for the text. But now I'm simply setting just a heading like this. Simply select an option from there and type what you like to type in here in your video. As you can see here, I have typed water in here, and like this you can easily add a text in your video and you can place wherever you want, and you can customize the text, the color, the format, the style and everything. Like this you can very easily add a text in your video in VN. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.